Hey y'all, taking a break from the computer because my eyes are hurting. I'm surprised they're not red. I've been online all morning and I haven't actually been out here in my garden today. I wanted to talk to you guys about something because I love my garden. I absolutely do. But make no mistake, things happen. Sometimes, that's not what I want to say. I want to say things. When it does, there's no need to get discouraged. There's no reason to believe that you can't start again, right? And that's just putting it out there. That's the moral of the story I'm about to tell you. So I'm out here in the garden, and you guys probably remember when I came out here and started planting some things. I was getting things ready for the spring, and a lot of things are doing really well, like the okra. It's doing pretty okay. A lot of my seeds I plant out directly in the garden. I don't start them indoors because it's never worked well for me. Okay. Some things I did start indoors this year and I felt really great about it. But then the freeze came and just annihilated things because we didn't have any sunlight. Well, we had sunlight, but it wasn't warmth. It was freezing cold, and then the power was out for like 5 days. So a lot of my seedlings just didn't do well. And to that point, right here, I have a little cage there, right? I was protecting my single seed challenge seedling. As you can see, there's nothing in there. Completely empty. Now, I don't know if Lola got to my seedling, because the seedling was about this size. About that same size, and I buried it pretty deep. So like on here, I'm gonna take off this last little leaf, and when I plant it, I'm gonna bury it probably up to about here because more roots will come out on the stem. Well, when I planted it, I did that, and I didn't think that Lola could get her snout down in there because this is a very narrow area. Then I thought maybe the birds got to it. And then my husband was like, well, how would the birds get down in there? Maybe you need to make a smaller tube like that one. Y'all, I got to start over. That was my single seed challenge. Now I have to start that process over again. But here's the thing. There's no worries, right? So I'm just going to take the same type of seed and I'm going to sow it directly into the ground instead of starting a seedling. So now that I'm out here, I'll probably do that. I will do that today, later on today, but that's what I'll do. And then some of the other seedlings that just didn't make it, I'll just come out here and sow the seeds directly in the garden, like I do every other year, except this one. Now that should be a sign. That might be a sign to me, like maybe starting seedlings indoors is just not the thing for me in my zone. Anyway, that's, the whole moral of the story is something goes wrong, try again, right? No harm, no foul. It's a garden, just like life. There are mistakes, there are things that happen, and you just have to try again. Just learn from it and keep going. And that's what's happening, you guys. Anyway, that's all I want to say. Talk to you guys later. Bye.